How you doing? This is Mitch from Nativesurvival.com. Today is the day of the giveaway. Stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back. Here's the Native Survival knife from Tiger Maple. Again, it comes with vegetable tanned handmade sheath. Knife is brand new. Handmade from LT Wright Knives, who I've worked closely with for many years now. Here's the blade. She's a looker, as you can see. 01 high carbon tool steel, Scandinavian bevel, Ranger liner, nice fishtail right there, Coke bottle design, as people call it, brass hardware, 90-degree edge on the spine, a 4-inch blade. Alright, so one lucky winner is going to get this shipped to them. For the 200,000 subscriber giveaway, as a thank you to all of you for watching my channel all these years, subscribing, making it as successful as it is. Okay, so we have 626 comments on the video, the giveaway video. I already went through and deleted like doubles, multi-posts, things like that. Everyone has a shot, and so I'm gonna go to a random number generator and have it pick a number. I'm gonna scroll all the way to the bottom to the first comment, and I'm gonna count up until I reach that number. It might take a little while, 600 numbers. We'll see what happens. Okay, 626. It is Friday, by the way, so it's been 2 weeks. Random number generator, 626. Just verify it's the right number. It is. Ooh, who's number 286? They are the winner. Who are you? 286. Okay, I'll scroll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. I want to make this a little bigger maybe. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 49. You know what? I'm going to start over. I don't want to mess this up. What? Let's say, hold on. I'm trying to get 10 per page. This is, it's unedited Well, it will be edited by the time you see it, but you know what I mean. This is live, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, okay, so there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy. I'm gonna make ticks. Going over hundreds here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just adds to the suspense, man. I mean, that's just like your opinion, man. Okay, that's 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Oh crap. Have I been marking all the time? Is this seriously happening? You guys love this? Oh my. Oh my. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is awesome. I'm wicked good at this. I'm wicked good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elijah's number 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Outdoor and Bushcraft is number 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take what you need, leave the rest is number 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cravist 518 is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hike with Mike is number 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bean 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark Shockley 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Glen Ray is 90. Halfway there. Almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eric Colm. Dude, Eric Colm. Yes, Eric Colm. I think you're probably my top customer, by the way. Yeah, right on. What's up, man? I think I sent you a little note last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. John Robertson. I think Eric's probably 598. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walden Outdoors. Something like that. He's bought a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cornelius. Primitive Arrows, right on. Okay, so yeah, about like 5, 10, 130. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woodsmaster. It's 140. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. E-Love. 150. Okay, closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooligan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chuck Calvert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. James. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He likes the feather stick video. Okay, that's 5, 10, that's 200. And the winner is 286. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. White oak. Outdoors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Patricia. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Music and coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. CF Honest. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Camper Keith. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anthony Musso. That's 5, 10, 15, 20. It's 200. 50, 260. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mama Bear. That's 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hawaiian Outdoors is 280. The winner's on this page. 6 up. 6 up. Here we go. I'm gonna zoom you in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Scott Moore. Bam. iMini says, favorite video, masterclass with Mitch Mitchell, how to make a fire. Great video. Paradox of fire. Dude, you just won a free knife. Scott Moore. Camera's acting wonky. Dude, Scott Moore, congratulations. Thanks so much for being a subscriber. Thank you, all of you, for being a subscriber. And also, I'm going to have the Nativesurvival knife stay on sale for one more week. So for all the people that missed out and didn't win, now you have a chance to get a knife for a cheaper deal. I would have waited, obviously. Like, the knife's been on sale this whole time, and I've sold some, but I think I would have waited myself to see if I win it first, before I buy one. So it's on sale as a thank you to all of you for pushing my channel over 200,000 subs. That's a big number. And thank you for all my views. I have over 30 million views. I mean, that's all your views. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. I'm happy to serve the community. Been serving the community for almost 10 years now, with free information and with products that I've designed and that I sell on my website. Okay, so thanks a lot. Sale's gonna go for one more week on nativesurvival.com, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.